hygiene habits. Help animals brush their teeth. Squeeze some toothpaste. Toothpaste squeezed out. Let's brush your teeth. Yeah! Nice clean teeth. Rinse your mouth. Good job! Help the animals wash hands. Cut the nails. They are a bit long. Using soap helps you wash hands cleaner. Rinse the foam off. Dry your hands. Wow! Your hands are clean. Good job! Help the animals take a bath. Get rid of the dirt on the back. Using soap helps you wash hands cleaner. Rinse the foam off. Dry your body. Wow! So cozy! Thank you, kids! Clean the room. The living room is a bit messy. Let's tidy it. The shoe rack is a bit messy. Let's put the shoes neatly. Wow! The living room is clean and tidy. Oof, the bedroom is messy. Let's tidy it. Put the laundry into the basket. Let's make the bed. Wow, so many toys. Let's tidy them up. Which box should the toys go into? Wow! Great! The bedroom is clean and tidy. The study is a bit messy. Let's tidy it. Tidy up the bookshelf. organize the stationery. The stationery is messy. Which drawer should I put them in? Great! The study is clean and tidy.